Clapper app review. Is it a good TikTok alternative? Are you looking for a TikTok alternative that gives you more freedom and fewer restrictions? Clapper might be the app for you, but is it really worth switching to? Let's find out. First, what is Clapper? It's a short-form video platform designed for creators who want fewer algorithm restrictions and better engagement. Unlike TikTok, Clapper focuses on organic reach, meaning your content is more likely to be seen without needing viral trends or paid promotions. Now let's talk features. Clapper offers duet-style reactions, live streaming, and even a monetization system where fans can tip creators directly. One big plus, it has no ads, making the experience cleaner. However, it lacks TikTok's massive user base and advanced editing tools. So is it a good TikTok alternative? If you're tired of TikTok's strict moderation and unpredictable algorithm, especially with the recent changes in the US, Clapper could be a refreshing change. But if you rely on trending challenges, advanced filters, and a global audience, TikTok still holds the edge. Would you give Clapper a try? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.